Hello, my dear children. How are you? Hope all of you are doing very good. Today, I am going to start a new lesson from Grammar Root. First of all, I will share the screen here. Grammar Roots, chapter number 14. And the topic name is Pronoun. So, first of all, we need to learn what is pronoun. I mean the definition of pronoun. So let's check what is the definition for pronoun. A pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun or another pronoun. It can refer to a person, place, thing, or idea. That means in the sentence, instead of using noun again and again, you can use pronoun. At the place of noun, you can use pronoun. And what are those pronoun words? Those pronoun words are like I, you, he, she, it, we, they. These are pronoun. In the sentence, instead of using noun again and again, we will use this pronoun word. Now I will explain how we will use pronoun in the sentence. Example, see in the first box, I wrote some sentences like Ronnie is a boy. The second sentence is Ronnie is 6 years old. Third sentence is Ronnie is studying in grade 1. Then fourth sentence is Ronnie has an elder brother. Here there are 4 sentences and each and every sentences I mention the name of that boy Ronnie again and again. Each and every sentence I wrote the name of that boy Ronnie. So now how we will use pronoun. Here as the Ronnie is the name of a boy, so it is a noun. And according to the definition, instead of using noun again and again, we can use pronoun like I, you, he, she, we, they, him, like this. So here what we will use. See here in this, the second box, first sentence I wrote as Ronnie is a boy. And the second sentence I wrote he is 6 years old. That means at the place of Ronnie, I mentioned he. So he is a pronoun word. And he is used at the place of noun, that is Ronnie. Now the third sentence. He is studying in grade 1. Here also I wrote the pronoun word he at the place of Ronnie. The last sentence, he has an elder brother. And the last sentence also I mentioned the pronoun he at the place of Ronnie. That is noun. So here we can see that Ronnie is the noun that I used in the first sentence, but from the second sentence I used he, which is pronoun. So in such way we can use pronoun in the sentence instead of using noun again and again. Okay, now noun we need to use according to gender-wise. In the earlier classes, all of you learned about the gender and the different types of gender like masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender, and neuter gender. So for pronoun also, we need to use those pronoun word according to gender wise. How it is? Let's check. Pronoun used for masculine gender means male person. For the male person, for masculine gender, which pronoun we will use? We can use he, his, him. He, his, him. These pronouns are used for masculine gender. These pronouns are used for masculine gender, means male person. Similarly, there are some pronouns that we will use for feminine gender, means female person, like she, hers, her. These words are used for feminine gender, means female person. Now, next one is pronoun that is used for neuter gender and animals. Neuter gender means non-living things. For non-living things and for animals, for non-living things and for animals, we will use it. For neuter gender and for animals, we will use it. Okay, now I will show you how we will use those pronoun according to gender wise with some example. Masculine gender, like Amir is going to market. He will buy a school bag. Here in the first sentence, we can see the name of one person and the name is Amir and Amir is a boy. So as Amir is boy, in the next sentence, we need to use the masculine pronoun like he. Okay, next one, feminine gender. Ria is a beautiful girl. She is wearing a pink dress. In this sentence, in the first sentence, I wrote the name of a girl and that is Ria. Ria is the name of a girl. So as Ria is girl, so in the second sentence, we need to write she, as she is the pronoun that is used for feminine gender. Next one, neuter gender or animal. Cow is a domestic animal. It gives us milk. Here in this sentence, cow is an animal. Cow is an animal. So, in the next sentence, I used eat. In the next sentence, I used eat and eat refers to the cow, the noun cow. Similarly, for the neuter gender also, all of you need to write eat. Hope that much is clear for you. Now I will move towards the next section of pronoun, and that is in English often we use some pronoun, and those pronoun word is mentioned here, like I, me, we, us, you, he, she, it, him, her, they, them, who, which, whom, what, whose, his, that, these, those, our, ours, your, yours, his, her, hers, their, theirs, its, my, mine. These are some pronoun words that we often use in English. Now next is pronoun always we need to use according to person wise. Means first person, second person, third person. Now question is, what is person? What is this first person, second person, and third person? Person means, the first person means is the person who is speaking something. First person means the person who is speaking something. That person is mentioned as first person. Now the second person. Second person means the person with whom he is speaking. That person is mentioned as second person. And the third person means about whom the person is speaking something. So that person is called third person. Like here, I am speaking something. So here I am is a first person. I am speaking something with you. So you are second person. And if I say something to you about someone else, so that someone is referred to third person. So I am first person, you are second person, and about whom someone else I am speaking something to you. So that person is known as third person. Okay. Now these pronoun first of all depend on the person, categorized as person wise, and then it is related to singular and plural, that means number wise also. Now how it is, we will check. First person singular number. First person, in first person singular number the pronoun are I, me. Second person singular. In the second person singular number, we'll use you, you. Third person singular number. In third person singular number, the pronouns words are he, she, it, him, her, it. Now we will come to the plural number. So first person plural number. First person plural number pronoun are we, us. We and us, those pronoun are used with first person plural number. Second person plural, you, you. Here also we can see for the second person singular number is also you, you, and the second person plural also, the second person plural also it mentioned as you and you. Yes, for a singular and plural second person, we need to use you only. There is no any change. And the third person plural number. For third person plural number, the pronoun are they, them. My dear children, in your grammar root book, page number 57, there are some other pronouns also mentioned. So all of you will learn those pronoun according to the person and number wise. So my dear children, here I need to end my today's lesson. So in today's lesson, first I discuss about the definition of pronoun. Then I discussed the pronoun word. Then I told you that pronoun we need to use according to gender wise, that is masculine gender, feminine gender and neuter gender, and for animal. After that, I told you that in your grammar root books, there are mentioned some pronoun word which we often use in English. And those pronoun word you need to learn by your heart. After that, I discussed that the pronoun that is used according to the person voice, first person singular, first person, second person and third person, and those first person, second person, third person is always related with number, that is singular and plural. Singular and plural. So when number change, the person's pronoun word also change, and that is mentioned, some other pronoun word also mentioned in your grammar root book, page number 57. From there all of you will learn those pronoun word. Okay my dear children, here I am going to end our today lesson. Take care, bye bye.